In the Aberdeen area, where heavy rainfalls are not uncommon, residents know the critical role of a sump pump in keeping basements dry and safe from water damage. However, sump pump failures can occur when least expected, often due to power outages, improper installation, or simply a lack of regular maintenance. Such failures not only risk flooding and property damage, but can also lead to a cascade of related issues, from mold growth to foundation problems. If you're facing the daunting prospect of a sump pump failure, or if you want to ensure yours is in top condition, don't hesitate. Call 888-501-1193 today to get in touch with qualified plumbing professionals who can swiftly address and rectify any sump pump issues. Serving the Aberdeen area, these experts are your first line of defense against the challenges of water intrusion.